the Indian Nurse YouTube channel. Today's episode, I will be discussing about fundamental of nursing in that hospital admission discharge topic. Let's start. Expand LAMA. LAMA means leave against medical advice. It is also called as DAMA. DAMA means discharge against medical advice. So we'll see about the definition. In this, the patient leaves the hospital against medical officer advice without the consent of hospital staffs. Next we'll see about the reasons. First one is disease may be incurable. Second one, patient may not satisfied with the treatment. And the third one, because of psychiatric problems. So you have to write 2 marks this much. Next question, define abscond. We'll see about the definition. When the patient leaves the hospital without the knowledge of hospital staff, it is treated as a absconded. So what are the reasons for absconded? First one is a anger, second one is a psychiatric problem, and third one is a family problems. Next question, expand MLC. MLC means medico-legal case. We'll see about the definition. Any case of injury or ailment where attending by doctors after taking history and physical examination. So examples for MLC, accident, burns, sexual offences, etc. Next we'll see about the nurse's responsibility on discharge of MLC patient. First one, no record should handed over to relatives. Name and address, write it clearly. Third one, discharge notes kept under the locker. So this much you have to write for the 2 marks. Next question, list down the types of discharge. First one, cured discharge. Second one, discharge to another hospital. Third one, LAMA and DAMA. Fourth one, absconded. Fifth one, discharge on request. Sixth one, death. So we'll see about first one, cured discharge. It means when treatment over, the patient is satisfied and leave the hospital. Next one, discharge to another hospital. Here, physician refers to the patient to another hospital for better treatment. Third one, LAMA and DAMA. Patient leaves the hospital against medical officer advice without consent of hospital staffs. Fourth one, absconded. When patient leaves the hospital without the knowledge of hospital staff. Fifth one, DOR or discharge on request. Discharge given to the patient on his personal request. Sixth one, death. If patient died in the hospital, doctors handed over the body to his relatives. So this is the types of discharge. What is the meaning of referral? So referral means physician refers the patient to another hospital for better treatment. We'll see from one department to another department or from one hospital to another hospital. These were the type of referral. So from one department to another, here the doctors will wait a transfer order. Second one, sister in charge should inform sister of the ward. Third one, all the belongings should be transferred. And the fourth one, inform client and relatives about the purpose of transfer. So this is about the referral from the one department to another. Next one, in that only, from one hospital to another. So first thing, matter should be informed to the relatives because we are shifting the patient to another hospital. And simultaneously, if the client it is accurately ill, a nurse should accompany him or her. It is a responsibility of the nurse also whenever patient is accurately seriously ill, a nurse should be accompany the patient. So, this is about the referral and the types of the referrals. This much about today's topic. For more question answer solving, please watch next video. If you like the topic, please like the video. If you have any doubts, please comment me on a comment box. And if you are not subscribed, subscribe the channel, and for the further notification, please press bell icon. Thank you.